Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to download and install the Ladder app. For that, you need to go open the Google Play Store on your Android device. If you are using a iOS, you need to go to the App Store, and on the search bar you need to type in Ladder, L-A-T-E-R, and press enter. This will give you the search result and the app on the top. Tap upon that app. So Ladder is a social media scheduler. It automates the daily social tasks and turn followers into customer. Posting at a perfect time to grow and engage your followers with Ladder social media scheduler. This is one of a capable planner to schedule social media content for your social media pieces. So to download the application, you need to tap on install over here. Tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded first. Now once the installation is done, you tap on open. So this is a easy way how you can easily download and install the Ladder app on your phone device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.